How to change Discord password if you forgot it. The first things first is of course access your Discord application, and from here all you have to do is just input or press the forgot your password link. Now you'll have to enter your email address first for you to be able to have a specific link sent out to you from Discord. Now once you have entered your email address, just tap on forgot your password and there will be an instructions sent to your email and you'll just have to check on that. So let's check our email. From your email, just access to the Discord email that has been sent out to you. Now all you have to do from here is just press on reset password. You will be rerouted to the specific website in which you'll have to comply all this necessary information so that you'll be able to successfully change your password. And from here, it'll just automatically input your new password and just simply tap on change password and then you are good to go. So that's it. That's how easy you can change your Discord password if you forgot it.